Percy works in the yard at the big station.
Hey everyone! Like always, it has been a long time, but finally, here is another Wooden Railway review. Today's item is the 2002 Sawmill and Dumping Depot. The Sawmill and Dumping Depot was released in 1998 and retired in 2003. Despite its short production run, it turned out to be one of the most elaborate and detailed destinations ever released by Learning Curve. And for a set designed for kids, it turned out to be one heck of a project, with several different pieces making up the set, including 2 pieces of ascending track, the dumping depot, a rolling base, and the sawmill. Each piece has a great amount of detail, with nice artwork, removable roofs, moving features, and even the log pieces themselves break apart using magnets, which I find is an ingenious idea. When I was a kid, I actually thought these split in half and broke, so you had to buy several. The rolling base is an interesting item because despite being located between the sawmill and dumping depot, it has detail on this wall that would not be seen when set up. It just seems strange that they would put so much detail into an item that you wouldn't really even see. It's almost surprising. Now, most of you are probably wondering why I haven't made a new review in 8 months. You're probably thinking that maybe it was some user that told him Wooden Railway sucked, or maybe it was because of film school, or maybe he got a role in a movie. Well, it was probably 1 or 2 of those reasons. But the actual defining reason why I haven't made a new review in 8 months is actually because I decided I wanted to grow a mustache. That's right, folks. About 8 months ago, I told myself, what would my life be like if I grew a mustache? I wanted to know. So I spent the last 8 months growing this mustache, and you know what? Nothing has changed in my life. My life has remained exactly the same. Except one thing. I have disappointed myself and you subscribers by not producing any new reviews. And you know what? Once you identify a problem, it's time that you find the solution. See, this is better. You know what? I feel like my old self. Completely neurotic, cynical, and above all, obsessed with Thomas Wooden Railway. So, without further ado, let's get back to reviewing the Sawmill and Dumping Depot. Oh wait, first I'm just gonna use some aftershave. So despite the detail of this set, it's actually quite simple to use. By turning the knob on the side of the dumping depot, it tips the log car on the loading ramp, allowing the log to roll down to the sawmill. This is done by grooves on the ramp, keeping the log car in place and not moving the engine. The logs also usually land on their side because their tops are rounded and their sides are flat. So once I've got my second log car in position, I can use the saw to cut my log piece. I push the log towards the saw using this lever, and the saw actually spins and makes a sound. Listen. Once the log's cut, the 2 pieces can be carried away by 2 different engines. Now here's what it looks like in one continuous motion. That is awesome. And every time you see it, you just want to see it again. It's great fun to watch, and it works every time. Well, almost every time. But who cares? It's so much fun, you'll never get bored.
Whoa, that's so intense. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, oh my god! Woo! Oh! Oh!
Yeah, you like that, don't ya? Well, that's my reviews from now on. Full on gore.
Marvelous.
What the heck? That was like the weirdest video I've ever seen. It made absolutely no sense. Man, this Ginger Percy guy is weird. I don't know why I'm promoting him in my review. I mean, I know I'm a little odd. I like to collect weapons, but a lot of people do that. Oh well. Might as well get back to my review. Despite how awesome the Dumping Depot was, it was shortly retired in 2003 when Hit Entertainment took over the brand. In 2005, it was replaced by the puny Tidmouth Timber Yard and cost what? $97.99 for this? You gotta be kidding me! How could this be more expensive than this? Wow, that's a shame. Ah yes, Hit Entertainment ruining something. How typical! Anything else new? Just like how they tried to ruin my remake of Thomas and Gordon. Well, they took it down, then I got it back up, and then they copyrighted it again with ads. Which doesn't make any sense. I mean, how can you copyright a video that's already been copyrighted? That's double jeopardy. Maybe I should just make a full rant about this company already.
Should I?
Yes, I think you should. Hello there. Wait, what? Are you talking to me? Yes, I am talking to you. I didn't even know you could talk. Hi? Hi there. Maybe I should have introduced myself a little earlier. Yeah. I mean, what? It's been like a year and a half since you became the controller here, and you've never spoken to me. Really? Oh, I hope I didn't come off as rude or anything. Oh, I kind of thought you were creepy. I mean, you never said anything. Never said hi. You just kind of stare at me, and then this weird ambient music comes on, and it kind of freaked me out. Oh, I'm very sorry. It's just that, I don't know, maybe I was just a little nervous because I really respect you, and, well, I'm finally glad to have met you. Oh, well, it's nice to make your acquaintance finally, after all this time. It is, and, I think this trade room's being run very well. Yeah, yeah. I hope you're liking it here. I mean, I think you're doing a pretty good job on the railway. Oh, why, thank you. I think you're doing a great job with the reviews. Well, thank you. I'm trying to make more. I'm actually doing it right now. Got the camera. Ah, which item? The Dumping Depot. The Sawmill and Dumping Depot, yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty cool item. So, I better get back to finishing this. So, it was nice to finally make your acquaintance. Well, shame to you, young man, and I wish you the best of luck with your review, and hope you take care. Yeah. Thanks. You too. Because of its limited production run and the amount of content the set comes with, it is now an expensive and sought-after item. It is a tough item to find on eBay, and if you do find one, it usually goes for an expensive price. You might get lucky and find one for cheap, but in most cases, you'll either find a lot with just a piece of the set, or you'll have to go through a bidding war. And believe me, bidding wars are no fun. I got lucky and managed to find my Sawmill in the box for $20. Can you believe that? Not only that, but the kid who sold it to me gave me an extra log piece. Normally the set only comes with 2, but he included a 3rd one. I know it's not much, but the fact is, that kid went to an extra effort to give me more for less. So, to wherever he is, I just wanted to say thanks. So now that I've reviewed the Sawmill and Dumping Depot completely, I can confidently announce that it is by far the best destination ever produced.
What did you say?
Huh? No way! No, stop! No way! So that's what my life would be like if I had a mustache. Well, Thomas, a man can dream. A man can dream. Oh yes, I think they'll like it.